Hey gang, I didn't see you there. I'm in the studio setting up for Woodworking Wednesday. What's Woodworking Wednesday? It's when we go live every Wednesday to talk about what I woodworked this week. But that's not why we're here right now. Right now we're here because of our friend Cheryle. Cheryle's amazing. Just look at how amazing Cheryle is. You see how cool Cheryle is? Cheryle is super cool. And we love her and she's wonderful. And we do this thing now where AJ and I, this is AJ's sign off. You're amazing, you're gorgeous, and the world needs you. That's what she says at the end of all of her videos. And old dad, you know me, I say this big long-winded dumb thing about how, hey, I see you. I know you're struggling. You know, we're all going through stuff every day, etc., but you're doing a good job and I love you, bye. Too. And so we put these onto real hard wood, authentic wood, made from wood. These are pine and walnut, but the ones that our other friend ordered were maple and walnut. And we hand write these in oil paint and then seal it all up and send it out. That's for an item on the website. Well, Cheryle saved up to try to get one. And she thought she had enough money because she had saved for the value of the items in the store. She had enough for them. But then here's the other thing. Our friend Cheryle lives in Tasmania, which is south of Australia, for those of you that don't know. And we live all the way back over in the States, in Illinois, somewhere here around somewhere around here under Abraham Lincoln's nose. And to get these things, these simple little things that locally cost about $15 to ship in the States, is over $150 to get them to Cheryle in Tasmania. And that's why we're here right now, Jerk Squad, because I need you to come together and do the thing you do, okay? I know I'm always begging for stuff, but there's a lot of people out there that either need help or that could really, really use a reason to smile right now. And Cheryle had her heart set on getting these. And I know that you guys can make that possible. So let's go. Show me what you can do. On your mark, get set, go fund me. Cha-cha! Link in the description. You guys are amazing. I know you're gonna do this. I know you are. I'll wake up tomorrow morning. It's only $200, $200 goal. We've raised thousands in one day before. We can do 200 to make Cheryle's day and make her smile. Show me what you got, dogs. I'll dance for you. I'm just gonna keep dancing until we raise enough money. Is this what you want? You want more of this? What if
It's gonna keep going. It's gonna get dadder and dadder. It's gonna get dadder and dadder and wider and wider. Just donate, okay? Come on.
Love you guys, bye. Ow, my neck.